Okay, we're going to do the bird dog, and you're going to start off on your hands and your knees, flat back. And you're going to lift up your right arm, left leg. Hold that straight, squeezing your butt. And you're going to think about holding that for 6 to 8 seconds. Flat back, don't overarch. Try to get your arm up as high as you can, or level with your shoulder, I should say. This arm right here, in your hands, remember, corkscrew method. Elbows rotated in, shoulders over the hand position. Not back, over, tighten up the lats. One leg goes back, squeezing your butt. Other arm comes straight up. You should be able to stabilize yourself there for 6 to 8 seconds. And then come back down. And then you're going to do the other arm, the other leg. Squeeze your butt, arm up, looking straight down. If you feel like you're losing balance, you can think about one arm first, and then the leg, straight out, squeezing your butt. Holding each one out for 6 to 10 seconds. And how you could advance this is, once that gets easy, you go into a plank position. Same thing, shoulders over your hands, one arm up. And then one leg back. Try not to get the hips to wiggle. Holding them straight. No teetering.